Trending stocks. Tuesday, the 16th of September 2025, pre market session. We have TTD, JMIA, BE, and GLUE. We'll begin with TTD down 2.5%. Intraday low in this pre market session, $43.49. The stock is equally trending, or rather, is trending, but downwards as you saw earlier on. This is as investors way intensifying competition from major players like Amazon, especially the latter's recent advertising expansion and its deal with Netflix. Traders are debating whether TTD is oversold at current levels, with some eyeing potential bottom zones as entry points. Some are also concerned about the leadership of the company. Speculation about a possible acquisition by a larger tech or media company has also surfaced, reflecting uncertainty about the company's long-term positioning in the fast evolving digital ad landscape. So this is the 4 hour chart. The extrapolation is saying that it might go sideways up till the close of today's trading session. Then by the post-market session, we might get a bounce that may take it to the highs it printed last week. Maybe it's saying here up to 49.69. This is up. This is maybe expected by Friday the 19th. They put Friday the 19th. Yes, post pre market session. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 44.88. I think that's a downward projection, but it has had even really ambitious projections. Yeah, it's had not long ago it had as high as 56.48 on exactly Wednesday, exactly last week Wednesday. Okay, no visible intraday high here. There might be some. We can see any. Okay, yeah, we have one here, 54.82. That was early. That was in on the 2nd of September. 54.82. Thus, where does that coincide with this? Yeah, okay, just in between 55 and 56 over here. Okay, so price pressure momentum. Let's see what we have for triple D. Yeah, severely bearish. Yeah, um, severely bearish. Yeah, all the positions that were opened 10 days ago, yeah, 40 hours ago, they're about maybe in jeopardy. Yeah, they may be in jeopardy, including the ones opened 80 hours ago. They are very in serious risk, at serious risk. We could just quickly glance at the daily chart and see. Yeah, everything is severely bearish as well too. Yeah, selling pressure has decimated a lot of positions. Yeah, we can see here the positions opened all the way back, um, all the way back in March, when we had a bounce. Now probably have been they're in red at the moment. They're in red at the moment. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next, which is JMIA. JMIA. JMIA up 7.05%, intraday high $10.83. Yeah, the stock is trending after RBC Capital upgraded the stock to outperform and sharply raised its price target, sparking renewed bullish sentiment. Traders are discussing the potential for a short squeeze given the stock's relatively high short interest, with many eyeing a breakout above the $10 resistance level as a key technical trigger. What do we have here now? He has done it already, yes. Okay. Community members are also weighing the company's long-term growth story as Africa's leading e-commerce platform, though concerns remain about execution, profitability, and competitive pressures in markets. The upgrade has reignited optimism that the company could finally turn the corner and scale sustainably in one of the fastest growing digital economies in the world. Yeah, so intraday high 10.83, and it's mentioned there as a key resistance. We'll see JMIA. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is the 4 hour chart. Extrapolation is saying high prices will remain in place at least up till Friday's pre-market session. That is Friday, this the 19th. Let's see what we have. Upper projections. Let's see what they're saying. 10.76, 11.53, 12.01. Okay, let's see what the price pressure momentums are indicating. Strongly bullish. Yes, profits are being stacked up on positions that were opened for at least 40 hours ago. Yeah, 40 hours ago. Those positions are in profit, surely, surely. 40 hours ago will be all the way back to Friday the 12th. Let's see where it was on the 12th, Friday the 12th. Okay, yeah, those positions, yeah, obviously, yeah. So those positions are in profit. The ones opened there 4 hour, 40 hours, no, 80 hours ago, that would be going all the way back to, let's just say, from around the fifth or thereabout, or slightly later. Those are clearly in profit at the moment as well. So a key technical level, that something was mentioned there. Key technical level at break it above $10 resistance level. Let's see what we have in terms of its price pressure momentum. Sorry, its market greed. Okay, the stock is trading outside of that market greed right now. So because it's it has a lot of strength at the moment, it's natural for it to be doing so. You can clearly see here that is also the case. 10.04. This is the top of that market grid. The market grid is like a channel, so it's broken through that, confirmed. But we could also I can also say that this grid has not reacted yet. It's for some reason it reacts it updates every 4 hours. But we can have a look at the 1 hour chart. It may have done so. Yes, you can see it has done so. Yeah, and it has it as well. 10.94 thereabouts. So the stock is currently trading at 10.56. So it's right in its okay. It's between it's neutral right now. Neutral at the moment, but coming off the resistance levels. Yeah, coming off those levels. 10.83. So 10.83. Yeah. So coming up from here, somewhere around here, that's where it came from. So we just hope it doesn't continue to weaken. We hope it gets support here. The extrapolation on this 1 hour chart is saying that it's going to the uptrend will continue. Let's just hope. If it continues to print, if it rebounds into the resistance region, resistance levels, there's a good chance it may be able to take out, even retest. Yeah, there's a good chance it may be able to retest 10.83 and break through it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have next. BE. BE is up 7.15%. Let's see. Bloom Energy is gaining attention as interest in its solid oxide fuel cell technology heats up, particularly in relation to AI data centers, a sector experiencing exponential growth. A recent Morgan Stanley price target increase has added momentum, with traders highlighting the company's potential to secure new deals and partnerships. Community discussions are drawing comparisons to other clean energy and infrastructure players, with some speculating about the company's ability to become a key supplier for AI related energy demand. Bullish traders are also considering the potential for a short squeeze, while their skeptics point to execution risks. capital intensity, and competition from alternative energy providers. The stock's momentum reflects both near term excitement and long term optimism around clean, reliable power solutions. Okay, yeah. Intraday high $72.5 in this pre market session. Okay, I have a WASP here. Okay, let's see what we have. Extrapolation is saying that strength is going to remain in place up till midday today, the 16th, and then after that, it might have a contraction that may remain in place up till the pre market session of Friday, the 19th. Then the uptrend may resume thereafter. No guarantee that that will turn out to be the case. Okay, let's see what we have. Projections are saying 79.36, 85.75, 89.69. Yeah, okay. Currently trading at around $72. Okay, I have a balls, I have a B inside here. So let's see. Let me apply the price pressure momentum to what is it saying down here? Yeah, okay. Everything is amplified. Nothing is negative here at all. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Positions profits keeps adding to positions that have been opened that were opened a few hours ago. So everything is strongly bullish. No indication of any weakness as such. Even though we had this slight rejection at 72.5, but it's not a big risk at all. Yeah. Okay, so the next will be GLUE. GLUE down 6.35%. Yesterday it was disclosed that it has it now has a blog a collaboration with Novartis valued at $5.7 billion dollars. The deal initially sent shares sorry yesterday. Yes, it did. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the deal initially sent shares soaring yesterday, but volatility has set in as traders debate whether the stock is overextended or just beginning a new growth chapter. The community is actively discussing potential price targets, possible buyout scenarios, and whether to lock in short-term profits or hold for long-term gains. Some are cautious about the risk of future offerings to fund pipeline development, while others see see the Novartis partnership as validation of the company's molecular glue degrader platform. Overall, sentiment is divided between short-term trading strategies and long-term conviction in the company's growth trajectory. Yeah. So yes, it's yesterday. We just covered it a few hours ago, and it was on the move up. Yeah, as you can see, that it has rejected. Got a rejection there. Let's see. Yeah, 9.15. Was that what happened yesterday? Yes, yesterday. But this is in the pre-market session. It got a further rejection there, and so it's saying that it's going to continue to contract with a bias to the downside. Yeah, and we have price pressure momentum may have decayed. No, they're still robust. Yeah, it's indicating that positions bought opened earlier on, like yesterday. They're still obviously just confirming what you know. They're still intact. But maybe obviously the ones that were some have been affected, yes, but the ones opened surely over the last 40 hours very much intact. 40 hours will be beyond yesterday. We're talking about sometime around Friday the 12th. Those are still good. They're still offering some support. Okay, projections are saying 5.50. We have here 9.5, 9.15. Previous projections are saying 7.11, 7.4, and much more. So have a look and see this what's going on with these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.